Hi, this is Darren again. This is a bracelet that I've made. I'm going to call this one the Corset. The reason I've called it the Corset, if you look at the black being the actual material, you've got the lace going up through the middle of the corset on both sides and up the back. So I'm going to call this one the Corset. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll show you how to start it off. I've got a fresh loom, so I'm doing it on the monster tail. If you double loop I'm using black and gold as my two colours. So I've doubled over a black band and just stick it on the middle two pegs in a figure of 8. So we're just going to use two colours, and you put them in on two different ways. So your first colour, which I'm using, is black. You put across in a square and then just loop this figure of 8 straight over. Without losing it. Okay, so let's try that one again. Push your figure of 8 back down. Grab these two bands, and you'll probably end up having to hold the long band down. Right, there we go, we've got that one. And let's hook that one. Right, there you go. So that just gives you something to clip onto at the end of the bracelet for you to put your S clip. Okay, so your next colour, which I'm using, is gold. Start on the end peg, across to the other end peg, and then hook it up onto the middle pegs. So it's looping on that, on peg 1, 2, 3 and 4. So that's 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, then put another black on, and this time we're just going to loop all 6 blacks over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and then again your gold straight across the middle, loop it up around the middle peg and loop it down. Around the middle peg. Then loop your end, the middle one, your other end, and your other middle one. So you're looping all 4 golds, push back down, back to black, again around all 6. Loop all 6 blacks. And you're just doing the one colour off the middle pegs. I know you've got 2 or 3 bands on at the moment. You just do the bottom one. So here you've got 1, 2, 3. Black, gold, black. We're just going to take the bottom black and hook it over and the other black. Okay, so back to gold. End to end. Stretch it up over the middle. Stretch it down over the middle. And then loop your side one over. The bottom one again, because now you've got gold, black, gold. So we're going to loop the bottom gold over the top, round to the side, hook the gold, and then on this side we're going to hook the gold. And that's how you do it. Just continue one colour at a time. If you check on the side of the board and see what you've got, so we've got black on the bottom, gold on the top, so that tells you your next colour is black. So black around in the square, and then hook all 6 over. Okay, do your gold, hit your gold over the middle ones and over this middle one. Okay, and then you start your hooking again, so from the side, your bottom band on the middle peg, the bottom one on the other side, and your bottom band again on that side, and then push down. Okay, so it's quite an easy bracelet. It's only 2 bands, lay 2 ways. Always loop the bottom one. Okay, if you pause the video here, continue through until you've got a bracelet of a desired length. Okay, if you pause it now, I'm going to show you how to take the bracelet off the loom. So your next colour on this bracelet would be gold. I'm going to do one more row, gold then black, and then I'm going to begin taking it off the loom. So gold on, loop it over, and if you've got a long enough bracelet now, you should be up to scratch. We're doing the looping process now. And we're going to put another black on all 6. Most of these bracelets on the monster tail, they all sort of come off the same way. It's a matter of reducing the amount of bands you've got over the pegs until you've got 3 or 4 bands left, and then use those bands to loop it off the bracelet with. So the way I'm going to take this one off, a black band, I've put it around the whole loom, so it goes all the way around all the pegs. And now just loop everything over that black band. So take your gold over, take your bottom black over on the middle peg, that one over, the gold band off the side, your black band, take your gold one over, take your bottom black one over, and your black one on that side. So now you've got one on each. I know we've got to do the gold on that side. Right, so now you've got one band on each peg. Okay, I always go front to back. So what we're going to do is lift this front one off, take it to the back peg and slide it back on from the middle peg, and slide it back on the back peg, and from the front peg slide it back on the back peg. Turn your board around, hook the bottom one over the top one. Okay, push them down a bit, take the one off the side, bring it over onto your first peg, loop the bottom one over, take the one off of this side, move it across to there. Oh, I dropped something on. I've recovered that one. So that's that one on there. Hook that one over, bring that one onto the middle peg, bring this one onto the middle peg. So now you've got three on the middle peg. Slide your hook in, take it off the loom, S-clip, put an S-clip on the bottom band, and there you have your corset bracelet. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed my tutorial. I shall create some more designs and get them up as quickly as I can. Thank you again for watching.